You ready? Or you just gonna text it? Don't go over to that lady's house.
I guess where I'm going.
Don't you go to the lady's house and blame that shit on me? And blame it on me?
Yeah. Okay.
The stick on the right is the other around
Is it?
Now you tell him.
I was wondering which one it was. 35 on the high.
Okay. Smooth it out.
Yeah, smooth it out a little more. And check the rubber. Well, feels good.
Engine dying? Oh no.
It was. No, it's because I'm hitting the rudder. I got sand. I gotta sit down. Oh, God.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Now I gotta try medium rate.
That's the black button. Just one down.
Which one is it?
I'm going to meet him for you.
Go ahead.
Okay, you there.
Which button was it again?
That's the black one. Right there.
The black button.
Black button.
That's not bad.
What was that? You were testing what?
The stall on it.
Okay. Ignore that part. There's two beepers on that thing.
Yeah, I'm not on the ground.
Oh, you got this. You can use the sidewalk. The concrete. Need some brakes. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead, brakes.
You see how it's wobbling?
Yeah, it wobbles. I might try to find one. I might try to find one.
Yeah, find a better one.
That fits.
That's horrible.
That's what came with it. Engine kills the red button on your top right. Top right.